Hello, I'm Hannah De Quincy, Artistic Director of Moonstruck Astronaut Community Theatre Company, and I'm so delighted to share that we are launching the Newport Youth Drama Group in partnership with the Newport Hub. And so here's the information on it. It will be running fortnightly from March to July, from the 6th of March to the 10th of July, ending with an outdoor performance. There will be a taster session on the 27th of February morning. Sessions will be offered for 6 to 8 year olds from 10 till 10:50 and 9 to 12 year olds from 11 to 12:20 a.m. on those Sundays. We are looking at a theme being looking to the future of Newport and imagining, dreaming what life could be like in 70 years' time, whilst everybody obviously is looking backwards with the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. So that'll be exciting. Will aliens have landed? Will there be robots? What will be going on? So let's leave it over to the children to imagine the funky future of Newport. So please find out more information on the Eventbrite page. Thanks so much to everybody for their support. And let's just finish by just delighting in the beauty of this mural, which was created by Lisa and Hub volunteers, and exactly what we're looking to do: bring youth community together, inspire us all while dreaming big. Okay, look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for listening.